Doing good? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a website for your organization. The platform that I recommend that you use is none other than WIX Website Builder. The reason why I recommend WIX Website Builder is because you can get started for completely free and it is also beginner friendly. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com and from there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you have two options. You can either choose to create a website using their AI feature by tapping on Start Chat, or you can tap on Set Up Without Chat. I would recommend that you tap on Set Up Without Chat. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to this page. And from here, you can type in what type of organization you're creating your website for. You can type in any type of organization or business. All you'll need to do is simply type it in on the search bar right here. Now, let's say, for example, we were creating a dog daycare website. All we'll need to do is simply type that in, or you can scroll down and you can see the different options right there that you can choose from. There are numerous options that you can always find when using WIX. Then you're going to tap on Continue. After tapping on Continue, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll be able to put in the name of your site. So we could name it Test right here. Then I'm going to tap on Continue. Then after doing that, you can choose the apps that you would like to use. So for example, depending on the type of organization you're running, you probably would like to use this plugin, which is the WIX Hotel plugin, which will allow you to manage and grow your hospitality business. If you're planning to sell something online, you'll select the online store. If you're planning to collect booking, you could select the booking option right there. If it is a case that you'd like to display a blog or portfolio, you can select that option. Now let's say, for example, I were to select booking also, then tap on Continue. Then you'll select Continue once more. After going onto your dashboard, what I want you to do next is, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. On the left-hand menu option, you can see right here, the first thing I want you to do, if you had selected portfolio where you have any form of work that you would like to display, you could select portfolio, then you could select the option and tap on next. After you have done that, you'll be able to upload your work. And to create a blog, you'll simply tap on blog from the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on create new post and you will be able to create your first blog post. Now if you had selected their hotel feature, you could select hotel, and then from there you'll be able to set up your property. So for example, if you have a bed and bath or an Airbnb that you would like to create a website for, you can use WIX to do that. After selecting hotels, from here you'll be able to input in your property name, property size, and all of those features right there. So it's taking a few seconds to load up, but normally it would load up real quick and you'll be able to fill in that information. Now, if it is a case that you want to collect booking also, you could select catalog, and from there you will see different booking services that they will suggest, and you can select any one of these services that best match your business, or you could tap on start from scratch, and then from here you can create a service that you would like to offer. So you could add in the service name, you could add a cover image, description, the duration of the service, buffer time if you want, and you can also set up whether it is a fixed price, varied price, or free. And then you could put in the price that you would like to offer the service for, and you can enter in the location or whether it will be offered via video conferencing. Then you will tap on save in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can go over to the left hand menu option once more, and then from here you can hover over booking calendar, and this is where you'll be able to see all of your bookings in the future. So you can see how it looks right there. Now, if it is a case that you would like to collect money using your website, for example, let's say you like persons to be able to pay via PayPal or any other form of online payment, you will need to select Getting Paid in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. From here, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options that you can use. So at the moment I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to connect TiloPay and PayPal. But if you were located in a different country, for example, if I were to type in Canada, for example's sake, you'll realize that I'm provided with a different set of payment options that I can offer. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. Keep in mind, to receive payment using WIX, you'll need to be on their paid plan. But once you're not receiving payments online, you'll be able to use their platform for completely free. After you're finished setting that up, you're going to tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner and tap on Pick a Template. From here, you'll be presented with numerous themes that you can choose from. So you can select any one of these themes. If you don't see a theme that you like, you can tap on any one of the categories and you could go into a particular category and search for a theme that you may like. So for example, let's say I don't see a theme that I like and I would like to go even more in depth. I could either search from the category here, or I could tap on the search bar right here and I could type in what type of website I would like to find. So I'm going to be selecting services and maintenance, and let's say for example I would like to use this one. I could tap on edit. Now once on this page, you can either choose to tap on the box right here and type out some details about your business, and then WIX AI will be able to compose some articles that you can quickly use. Normally I would close the pop-up box. Then from here you will tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on the plus 50%, you'll be able to better view your website. So at the moment, this is how our website looks right here. To start editing how your website looks is quite easy using WIX. All you'll need to do is hover over the section you'd like to change, then tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. Then from there, for example, if I would like to change the text right here at the logo, I could do that by tapping on the text and I could type in, for example, Simple Answers. I can also change the phone number right here. And if I would like to change the vector art, I could do that by tapping on Change. Let's say I would like to change the background image. I could tap on the current background image. Then I'll tap on Change. After you have done that, you could select Image right here. Then from here, you could tap on Upload Media and you could upload your own image. Or you could simply tap on the search bar. Then from there, I can type in whatever I'm searching for, and I'll be able to use their copyright-free images. So for example, this one, and I can change it quite easily. You can also change the text, so I could tap back there, and I could change back the text right there, and I will type in, for example, our family, as you can see right there. And you can go down and you can continue editing your website just like that by selecting each section. It is as straightforward and easy as that, which is why I say it is beginner friendly. Now, if it is a case that you like to add text, image, or any other element to a section that you don't see, you can simply tap on the plus in the top left hand corner which says Add Elements. Then from there you will see the text option, image option. Any one of these elements that you like to add, you can quickly drag and place it. And you can also add different sections by scrolling down. You will always see the option Add Section at the bottom of each page. If you were to tap on Add Section, you can see the different section options right here on the left hand menu. Now, to view all pages on your website, you will tap on Pages and Menus from the top left hand corner, the third icon, and from here you will be able to view all pages. Then you can select the page that you'd like to view. So for example, the book online page, I can select that and you can see my service page right here. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. But I'm going to select preview right now so you can see how it looks. And if they were to select a particular service to book now, so let's say for example this service, once they tap on book now, they'll be redirected to a next page, and from there they'll be able to fill out their information on the calendar. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.